How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make your voice deeper in Voicemeeter. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the menu of Voicemeeter. In here, click on the stereo input and just make sure that you are using the best possible microphone for your setup. Now, select the WDM and then select your microphone right here. Now we can make our voice deeper by navigating through the IntelliPan. In here, you can simply click on this square icon, which will allow us to add some echo or to make our pitch lower. So if I do something like the lower section, it will definitely make my voice deeper. And then with this one, it's really deep. And of course, you could do the same in reverse by heading over to the other side. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.